If you're a wedding photographer, you're going to want to watch this. Shadow me on a wedding from start to finish, which you can see the whole thing with the camera settings on Shadow a Pro. If you don't know what Shadow a Pro is, where have you been? Where have you been? Anyway, I hope this inspires you, gives you some ideas on how to pose, how to light, how to work every part of the wedding day. Let's go. I don't know if the wind is gonna let me do the flat layout here. So I started with the shoes. I decided to use my 50 today because mostly I stick to that, 135. I mean the 20 to 70, and every once in a while you just gotta I think anyway, do what you don't normally do to shake things up and to make yourself think again. That's what I think anyway. What do I do? This room is so fun to photograph, but every once in a while, I apologize if you see me in the picture.
I'm just gonna get closer. Do you want to move it closer?
Yep, I was just gonna do this. Let me see if this.
Oh yeah, there you go.
You're gonna look right down that way. Yeah, it's perfect. Blush. Yeah, blush.
Smile, not smile.
If you're happy. Let me see. Yeah, like that, and then push them out towards me. Yeah, do you know what light switches are? It seems counterintuitive, but we just turn the lights off everywhere. This is good, because then we can get your nails and everything too.
So many cameras in my face.
I know, it's
So you guys tell me if I have to smile, not smile.
Oh, we will, don't worry.
What I'm doing here, so.
No, we like you natural. Just be you.
All right.
Amelia, can you just stand next to your dress?
Go play with it.
Go play with it, go fix it.
Oh God, I don't know. What, where are we?
Just touch it. That's all you have to do. Nice. Go around to the back.
There you go. Now I can see your face. So you're gonna help her take the dress down. Yeah.
Now you gotta go by.
So go ahead, do her back. You can come through. And try to look back at them, Amelia. Yeah, so I can see your face a little. Good. Oh, so pretty, your necklace. I'm just gonna move it.
Reach up and touch it again with both hands.
I would love her to sit for the shoe.
Yeah, whatever.
So you sit always on the edge and then always on your side and cross.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Good job. That was no problem. Yeah. No, it looks actually really good.
What's next,
You
girl?
can stand up.
Do your earrings.
And then your earrings maybe in the mirror. Robin, could you put your hand down? Yeah, perfect, thanks. I'm gonna have you flip it. Because your initials are all on the other side, right?
I should be wearing a wedding ring. It doesn't fit me right now.
So girls, we're gonna do your pictures. I think I'm actually gonna put you over here. Open up a little bit more here. So yeah, shoulders come open, and then everyone's flowers go really low so we see all the detail of your dress. So make sure your arm's still bent, a little lower, Robin. Yes, that looks awesome. I'm just gonna be right about there. Yes, that looks so good. And then everyone's gonna look at each other, talk to each other, anywhere but at me. Yeah, cute. Keep going, keep talking.
You learn most when you are there on the job, and this is the next best thing, Shadow a Pro. Shadow a Pro is behind the scenes look at over 21 weddings and engagement sessions, real ones, not curated ones, not necessarily even my best, most visually appealing ones. They are real, they are raw, they're exactly what I do on any given wedding day. I also have videos there for you that are direct instruction on things like lighting the reception details, lighting the toasts, and so much more. Now I can't just have a course without giving you a bazillion bonuses. I'm giving you my very favorite pre-shoot client questionnaire. I'm showing you my family starter list. There's a posing cheat sheet. There's a second photographer guide. There's even a posing phrase sheet that will help you prompt your clients to get authentic, real emotions instead of solely staged ones. You are getting so much content, so many more bonuses that you're probably seeing on the screen right now, in addition to the actual meaty content that Shadow Pro provides. Everything as real and raw as it gets. I hope to see you inside Shadow Pro.
And then walk to that side over there so you can kind of get that view. Yeah, just kind of lean out, looking away from me. Yeah, awesome. And then turn towards him. So Amelia, you can turn around and just like throw your arms around him. You can put the dress down, bouquet over his shoulders. That's it. Go nose to nose. Perfect. Oh, so amazing. Tilt a little more, David, so I don't see your back. So like keep twisting. That's it. Yeah, go nose to nose. Perfect. Yeah, you could hold hands there. That's good.
Thank you all for joining us today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Amelia and David. I'm David's sister Caroline, and I could not be more honored to have the opportunity to oversee the wedding of such an incredible couple. As I was preparing this speech, I was thinking back to the time that I met Amelia, and I don't remember. And they remember it actually very similarly as I do. Though they both start off with describing how David was very eager to meet Amelia in person. And it is these attributes that serve as the cornerstone of their relationship that they build on. From there, they support each other in their individual endeavors and hobbies. When visiting a new city, Amelia is quick to find the nearest comic book store so that she can take James. And it is my sincere joy to announce you husband and wife.